Welcome back. Continuing the news, Petrojam employees are demanding the sacking of their general manager as well as the human resources manager. On Thursday, the workers demonstrated on Petrojam's compound, displaying placards expressing their views about recent events at the company. TVJ's Kirk Wright was there.
At midday on Thursday, the employees all came out in the same dress mode, chanting what's on their mind. Their placards told the rest of the story. Their union representative, John Levy, General Secretary for UK, says the workers are frustrated, on edge and upset by comments made about them in the public recently.
Based on the information that we have, two comments would have gone to the heart of the employees. The one that speaks to the comment that they are depressed. You know, that's a very strong comment to make about workers. You know, it carries certain connotations with it. And the other issue has to do with this engagement survey that appears to be a phantom survey. The workers are unaware of this survey that was done.
Mr. Levy says the management denies knowing of any such survey being done and that they have no documentary proof. He raised the issue of the attrition rate at Petrojam, citing poor staff morale as a possible contributor.
Well, the last time I checked, it was averaging about 30 to 40 people over the last 3 years, which is you're talking about 10-15%. In any business is a high rate of attrition, especially a business that is specialized in this kind of activity.
He says many of those leaving the company are employees with technical skills.
You're talking about engineers, technicians, senior financial people, that kind of a thing. So it's not a run-of-the-mill kind of job that Daima does. This is a very intense, specialized area.
We asked Mr. Levy if he was satisfied with the Prime Minister's stripping of Dr. Wheatley of the energy portfolio.
Based on where it's at and based on what has come out, there, in the union's view, appears to be some level of dereliction of duty, right? And on that basis, his actions would have been welcomed by the union to make some changes. I don't think he has gone far enough, and I'm not speaking about ministerial responsibility now.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.